Today we are in the Champion Hills Golf Course community, and this stunning 4-bed, 4.5-bath residence behind me has been completely updated. It features top-of-the-line finishes and a panoramic mountain view. I'm Alec Cantley. Welcome to 547 Hagen Drive. The interior of this home is absolutely stunning. It has been meticulously renovated to really create the perfect transitional home. As soon as you walk in this beautiful foyer, you are taken back by these expansive panoramic views. We've got tons of natural light pouring in off the glass, off the backside of the house. And it's a great open floor plan space. We have tremendous ceiling height in here, beautiful heart pine floors, and it flows seamlessly into the den and kitchen. This incredible kitchen recently underwent a full renovation, so we now have brand new cabinets, new tops, and a full Thermador appliance package, including this statement 36-inch gas cooktop in the island. The other thing I love about this kitchen is the tremendous amount of storage. In the island, we have double depth cabinets, so you've got plenty of storage space there, built-in pantries, and everything is touch to open, including the Thermador refrigerator. Rarely do we feature a laundry room on our home tours, but this one is sensational. Not only is it a very functional laundry space, but this also serves as a back kitchen and pantry. You've got the benefit of an ice maker, dual zone wine fridge, and beverage cooler, along with a huge banquette of storage space. This house has incredible indoor-outdoor living with this beautiful nano door that opens up right out to the screen porch. All these screens are automated, so they lift right up, and you have these incredible views off the back of the house. This gorgeous primary suite is located on the main level of the home. Some of my favorite features with this room have to be the huge sliding glass doors out onto your own private deck. The bathroom is also gorgeous, very spa-like, with a big walk-in tile shower and double vanities. And of course, you also have a large garden tub to soak in and enjoy. As you come down to the lower level of the home, you have this incredible family room. There is plenty of space down here to entertain and enjoy recreation. We have a gas fireplace with a really modern aesthetic, and then we also have a great wet bar around the corner. So it's really set up well for guests or for entertaining. The lower level of the home also features 3 beautiful guest bedrooms. Each one of these bedrooms has its own ensuite bath that has been tastefully updated, and all have sliding glass doors that lead out to covered decks. When it comes to outdoor living space, you will be hard-pressed to find something better than this in Western North Carolina. This amazing water feature starts at the side of the house and cascades down multiple waterfalls to this pool below. You have a huge terrace here for entertaining, and the sound of water can be heard from nearly every space in the house. With expansive indoor and outdoor living space, premium finished detail, and a year-round long-range mountain view, 547 Hagen Drive is the ultimate mountain oasis.